Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Samsung Edge lighting not working on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open settings and in the search bar, just search reduce animations. Now just make sure to disable reduce animations. Now once you disable reduce animations, just search do not disturb. And make sure you disable do not disturb. After that, just go back and go to notifications. Then select notification pop-up style and tap on edge lighting style. Now in the advanced section, just make sure to reduce the transparency and to increase the duration of the edge lighting. Then tap on done. Now if there is a specific app from which you are not getting the edge lighting, just go back. Then go to apps. Now in the search bar, just search the name of the specific app. Now just select notifications and make sure you enable notifications. And this is how you can fix edge lighting not working on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.